What's up, my peoples? It's your boy JB right here, back at it again. May 30th, 2019. Beautiful, beautiful day, beautiful time to be alive. And I'm going to explain to you why that is. Before anything, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to do anything in any way in these videos. I'm just giving you my point of view in the market. You do as you please with this information. Ready then. We are gonna go over USD JPY real quick, the before and after of this trade, and show what's been playing out on that. Got a little bit salty on this trade. We could have made some major gains, but it's Gucci, no problemo there. We are gonna go after that to the cryptos. This video is about the cryptos. I just want to show you as a JPY for the people that might not know like my videos or whatnot. You can go back to see USD/JPY and how we have been waiting on this to break out of this area and go down. Did a nice retrace there, but we'll zoom into that right now. After that, we're gonna go into the cryptos, which this video is really about, and then we're gonna hit an ending with gold XAU USD. That is the trade for the week, so we are gonna go over that. If anybody wants to see the possibilities of catching a trade um, this morning. I have that trade going out for 6 to 8 a.m. gold. But all right, that'll be at the end. Right now we're doing UJ. So UJ, we have been following this all the way up to this beautiful trend line on top. This red trend line. Let me zoom out a little bit. Well, you can see it better on the daily, but this red trend line here, you see this little hand on it. That red trend line had been a major in the dailies, and it went up there, almost hit it, came and hit a M, beautiful M, huge M in the dailies, and then yeah, hit that. We saw that doing our pattern, our legendary pattern, uh, and then we were waiting for this to break out. Uh, I had it going up there, and then coming down here and breaking this. If not going sideways and then breaking it, which it did. It went sideways, and it actually went up for a stop hunt. Ooh, man, try to get your money. That was around 50 pips, I believe, from entry. Yep, about 50 pips. So after it did that, it just dropped, broke, skyrocketed, retrace, and we're out of there. So I expected it to hit here before we saw a retouch here, if not just a small retouch around this level that I drew out here, and it actually broke all the way down, boom, to this other green zone. Let me extend that a bit. Oh, sorry about that. All right, so we extend this. That is the floor that it went to go touch before it went up almost to the second floor up here, and around this zone that I expected here. So it actually came all the way down here, went up there, messing around here. It's gonna funnel, I believe, before we catch another lower low here, diverge, and then I believe we will see it go back up from here for a really nice retracement easily to this 61.8. So that is what we have for UJ. I have it going from here up here, and I have this on a possible divergence whenever it actually goes and hits. So we'll see what plays out there. But so far, UJ has been beasting at a let's see. It has been beasting at a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You caught that tippity top, 290. Let's say 300 pips. Beautiful 300 pips, guys. Standard, that's 3K right there in about a week, 2 weeks. That is the Forex market. All right, now we are gonna go to XRP USD, guys. This is about the cryptos because the Forex market it'll give you gains, but it is nothing compared to what the crypto market is about to do. So I am a huge, huge believer in the crypto market. I believe that it is the future. I believe that the dollar is going to crash, and that when it crashes, cryptocurrency is going to be what everybody's going to fall back on. It is happening already in places that have already fallen, as far as Venezuela goes. Is just yeah, so it's inevitable. That's what I'm trying to say. It's just inevitable. so it's took my tongue there. So either way, I have been following this market since it jumped out of here. 2017. It was a beautiful year. 2017. I completely missed out at the beginning when everything occurred. But I did not miss out this round, guys. This round, I have been accumulating a nice little amount down here in this whole area. And I am so happy that we are seeing this right now. Um, as well as being able to call this back in let's say it was February. Back in around February is when I drew this out. This I had been following since 2018, and I had expected this. We actually drew it out. Well, I drew it out. well, I drew it out, and this was my prediction. I have webinars with some of my friends, and we would give each other the predictions that we had, and this was my prediction that I gave them back in September, and it played out beautifully right here, and a lot of us thought it was the beginning of the bull run, and then we were proven wrong. Whenever trend line that if we zoom in, there was a trend line here, it broke that funnel going down. We just knew that it was gonna be a beautiful, beautiful W. Oh my goodness, the legendary amber backwards. It's a peak, you come down, you go sideways, you're going up. Where are you going? You're going right here, minimum. Before we see a really nice retracement, probably down here. And then we are going to see a skyrocket on that. So I'm gonna draw that out to here, and then we are gonna go all the way up, all the way up, guys. Oh man, these markets are super volatile. I believe they have slowed down maybe a little bit because of well, I guess that's kind of not true because they're getting way more money in. It just kind of seems like they've slowed down a bit, like all of this consolidation. But then again, they are new markets, so there's really nothing to really go back on. So either way, what I believe is that in the next 3 to 5 years, we will see XRP at a easy $50 to 100 a coin. I believe that's in the very easy realistic possibilities, and even at a $20 take profit, which I believe we will see in the next 1 to 3 years, that 1 to 2 years, I'm sorry, by the third year, I believe it will hit 50. Um, yeah, but I believe that's what we will see possibly this year. If not at the end of next year for sure, and then by 2021, easily 50 to 100. But that is my thought on it. Give me y'all's thoughts and see where y'all think the price is gonna be at. And yeah, so we called this breakout. And then I had been following it, wedging on this, and then I made a video in February. If you want to go back to that video, I said it was going to break out of there, and we had a couple of trend lines that I'm going to show you guys that we had followed from the very bottom. It was such a beautiful entry, such a clear entry. Uh, so right here, and then it broke out of the first majors, minors, I guess the first minors. Let me make this red. Um, so I call trend lines that are important, but not as important as the more important trend lines. um, Bigger time frame trend lines. So I call the more important trend lines majors, and then minors and stuff. So these are like minors that it had to break out of so that it could go up to the major. And once it broke out of that major, which I drew that it was expected to break out of these minors, come and retrace, break out of the major, and then retrace a bit, and then go up to that next level. It broke out of the major and went sideways. It did a nice hop there, broke the consolidation zone here at the bottom. Let me just draw this real quick. So it broke the consolidation zone that we had at the bottom. And once it broke that nice consolidation zone, broke out of this major already, it was a clear signal that this bottom was buy, because it is that breakout, and then that uh, trying to take your money, let's say. So once it breaks out, a lot of times it's going to try to take your money, especially in markets like this. So it broke out. It came all the way back to 28 when, it was at a nice 30 cents over here. It came all the way down 28 real quick. Little bit lower than what it had gone over here. And then from here, it just boom, boom. What followed was what we had been expecting. This price action. Bam! Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. The retracement that we expected came back down to the old zone that we are talking about. Let me just extend the other one. Um, that. So came back down to around that zone. Beautiful, and then just shot up. I have been following that as well. Crypto trading on forex platform, guys, that is the future. You think USD, JPY, and all of these other forex pairs, even gold, yeah, they're super awesome. But imagine buying gold at freaking what, I don't even know, 100 or some 200 that it was at 200 an ounce. That is amazing. That is the opportunity that we have right now to buy. You know, if you put $1,000 into XRP right now and go on to Hugo's Way, which is a broker that is accepting U.S. customers, check that out. So you go into Hugo's Way and you start trading. You put $1,000 and you go in at 10 cents. If Ripple reaches $20, you out of that $1,000 investment could end up making a little bit less than 200K. You know, so 200K is wow. That is a very 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 good investment in my point of view. So yeah, we're following XRP right here on this breakout right here. So as soon as that broke out, we already knew what time it was. It is the next zone up. XRP is really good at these funnels, going lower, 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 and then breaking out. Once you see that breakout, guys, it is time for the rally. So I am really hoping that this comes back down one more time, but I really don't think it is. I'm hoping it does. And if it does, we would need it to break that red line I just drew out, that trend line. So the first it would have to break this first of all. Once it broke that, it would retouch, come here, and then it would have to break this. I just don't see it happening, but oh man, if it does, I'm gonna be super excited. Come back down to this level, and I'm gonna get another chunk of XRP at a discount. So I'm waiting on those prices. We're gonna see what happens. XRP is just such a good investment. And if you want to go and see Bitcoin as well, we're gonna go and see what's gonna happen. So that's pretty much it for XRP, guys. Let me just show you the bigger time frame on XRP before I switch it, so you can see what the prediction on it is. We do see it going to $18 to $20. That's what we predicted in February. The prediction is still the same. We will see. That is by the end of this year type stuff, guys. That is crazy. This election's coming up too. I believe they are gonna be crazy for the markets. So, all right, let's go to BTC USD real quick. Real quick. So Bitcoin, we drew this out. We had a feeling that it was gonna go and do a quick dip. A lot of people believed it was gonna do this as well. It actually broke out right here at no lower than the 3,000 level. So that was super lit. It is at 87 right now, guys. It is at 87. Man, I don't even know how to express what is about to happen, and all the people that are going to be crying about this later. I can't even express to you how many people are going to be crying about this, seeing the opportunity right in front of their eyes, hearing about it, knowing about it, and not really knowing about it. Man, I missed out when it was at 300 a coin, guys, and believe it or not, I heard about it back in 2012. is around the time that I had heard about this, and it's amazing. It's amazing that I didn't really know what was going on, didn't take the time to research, and I missed out to the point that I could have been a millionaire right now, guys. And please don't be that guy. Please don't be me. In your future, because um, this opportunity is not coming any time in your lifetime ever again. I believe so. Um, these gains are not, yeah, they're not something that is gonna be seen. Oh man, yeah, definitely. It's not something that is gonna be seen. Oh my goodness, in people's lifetime just like that. Oh man. So that is um that is what I believe, guys. Sorry, got a little quiet for a moment. I was just measuring. So $100,000 is the next goal for Bitcoin, guys. $100,000 is the next goal for it. So if $100,000 is the next goal, I mean, I know Bitcoin is at 87 now, but that is why you should cop some at 4,000 or at 300 or at $10 back then, right? But it is way better to cop it now than to cop it at 20,000, like a lot of people did and lost all their equity. And it's not really that they lost it; they just didn't have the patience or the wisdom to know that you need to just hold it and you'll be fine in the long term. But they wanted those quick gains that the smart investors had already got and gotten out of, and then they went in so the market could take all their money and recuperate all the gains that people took out. It only makes sense, guys. Please don't be the dumb investors. Please be smart enough to buy low, and please be smart enough to take your gains as well. I believe that some gains should be taken at 100,000, and I believe that you should definitely leave some Bitcoin in there. I personally will take out some. I'm not sure if it'll be 40 or 70, but I will definitely take some out, and I will leave some more in there, some running, and then once the price drops, I will have already had some of that profit, and I will already have flipped that to where I can buy more at a discount. So be a smart investor, guys. And that is a Bitcoin that has been my before and after. Uh, Super lit, guys. Super freaking lit. All right, we're gonna zoom in real quick on this on the daily just so we can see what happened when it actually broke out. Oh my goodness. So we had it coming up to this major again and dropping from there. It broke out of this major here. This little breakout, guys. This little breakout right here was the whole like thing saying you saying saying to you, I am ready for a bull run. That right there, guys. Not even this candle. That was the confirmation. But telling you that I am ready to jump up was breaking out of that huge trend line. That little breakout. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. I love trading, and man, I am looking forward to trading Bitcoin and Ripple and all of this in in the markets, guys. I am freaking looking forward to it so freaking much right now. Oh man, I could see the gains, guys. I could see the gains. I believe that we are about to see Bitcoin come back down uh, for a quick reverse, so that it can take some people's money that have been getting in because of the hype, and if so, we will see Bitcoin come and drop around this zone again, touch the breakout area, mess around on the breakout area. So I'm not sure how Bitcoin is with divergence, to tell you the truth, guys, but we might see a W, and and then we're gonna see that just go all the way up to the next zone. So that is what we're looking at on Bitcoin. As far as marking it down to the most recent, whoa, to its most recent move. So right now, um, it is a good time to buy if you're gonna buy and hold it. If you're gonna be buying in the markets, as far as trading it in a broker like freaking Hugo's Way. If you're gonna be doing that, then I suggest you wait a little bit, because this is not the best time to go in unless you have enough equity to hold. From 57 to 86, that's a lot of pips, guys. I don't even know how to calculate to the truth on Bitcoin, but damn it, that is a lot of pips. So please be careful. Please be safe trading if you're gonna be trading like that. If not, just buy it, hold it, and you'll be good to go. Put it in your Nano wallet, uh, and don't leave it in the exchanges. Um, could get hard later to try to get it out, from what I have heard. So please get your nanos and your little wallets enough. It is very much worth the investment. I have recently just ordered mine for $50. It is the best investment you can make. So that is that, guys. We are gonna go to gold now. Gold. So I believe that gold is dropping. I had it dropping from here at a beautiful, beautiful zone, and it actually went all the way back up to this zone because of Trump's dumbass um, talking shit to China and trying to punk them. And China said, "What? Hell nah! I'm gonna tax you if you're gonna tax me." Gold shot up, man, and then came back into our zone, and we still see it doing the same thing. It's gonna drop ultimately from this area to this zone, TP. So that's TP1. I believe we are gonna see it fall, major, major fall, but it is 1276. Um, 1276. So 750, and you're going to 900, 150 pip stop loss to be safe, and then you're gonna see this go all the way down to a 300, 400 pips take profit. So beautiful, beautiful trade. It's gonna happen. It is gonna happen, guys. Uh, that is pretty much all I have for you guys. It's 2 in the morning, so I'm getting out of here. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you my thoughts on the market. I will see you next time, guys. Let's make this money. Yeah. Oh, yeah.